Hey, what's up everybody? It's Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be replacing the fog light bulbs on my 2010 Volvo S80, and I want to put LED type H8 bulbs in place of the older incandescent style bulbs as Chester barks in the background. I don't know what he's up to. What he sees, probably a white truck. He loves white trucks. So let's get started on this. I pulled the car up to the garage here, and don't rip on me too bad. The car needs hand wash bad, but it looks like it's gonna rain out here shortly. So I'm gonna try to do this as quick as I can, but you'll see lots of dead bugs from my commute to and from school and work. So don't rip on me too bad for that, but we'll get the camera swung around here and we'll see how bad this is to do the front of this. First, what we're going to need is a trim tool to get behind here and pop this whole unit out. Here's the bulbs. These are off Amazon. I think it was like $20 or 24 hours of free shipping. I'll put the link down below. I am now an Amazon affiliate member, so that should be pretty cool. So I think they're H8s. I don't remember them being H8s, but apparently that's what they are. This does look correct. The H shape there. That's what they look like. So the ones that were on here, they were pathetic. They didn't really do anything, essentially. I mean, they almost act like more like a daytime running lamp. They were pretty pathetic. All right, so let me get a trim tool here and we'll get started. All right, I got two different ones here. I had put some tape on this one before just so I don't scratch up the finish on whatever it was I was working on last. I also got out of the scrap barrel a piece of envelope that I want to stick here to try to minimize any kind of scraping of getting under here and pulling these tabs. I never had this apart before, so I'm not sure exactly where the tabs are located. Boy, this car needs hand wash desperately though, that's for sure. Yeah, so it wasn't too bad, but it's like that soft black plastic. I'm not sure what's going on here on this side. All right, it's a what is that, T25. Pull that out. We got my pod lamp here to help see. Pretty awesome. Okay, now that the mailman left, he likes to talk sometimes. Gotta see what the heck I gotta do to get this out. I think you pull it forward. You gotta kind of turn it and then just pull out. Not too bad. It's got these two tabs, these two pins that go in here, so now that I know that, you definitely don't want to be pulling too hard onto easily breaking it. I think while I have this off, I'm going to polish you can see all the stone chips on here. I don't know if you can see it there, but I'm going to try to polish that while I have that off. Yep, these are H8 bulbs. But I tell you, they're not very bright at all, that's for sure. They're lackluster and then some. The only thing I'm kind of curious about is if these will trigger an alarm with the car. A lot of times they'll blow codes, so we're gonna find that out. I do have Vita dice now on an older laptop. I can go in and actually modify perimeters and stuff of the car. It's pretty cool. If anyone wants to see that, I might show that. I might use that to turn the daytime running lamps off. Okay, so I'll be right back. I think I'm gonna try to polish this out real quick here before I put it back together. Okay, I ended up using 600 grit and then 1000 grit and then 2500 grit sandpaper to nip away at these stone chips. It looks a lot better than it did. And then I had finished it off with some vintage, I think you can still buy this, so McGuire's Mirror Glaze Plastic Polish. I think my dad had this since the 70s, and it's still, the bottle, it's almost like a Twilight Zone episode or something. The bottle just doesn't seem to go away. I mean, it's weird. I mean, you don't need much, so a little bit of that goes a long way. I'll look and see what they all have on Amazon. I'll put some links down below. There's some other brands that I have used in the past as well, but this works really well, the McGuire's. I think they still sell it, probably just comes in like a new style bottle. Go ahead here and stick this back together with it's a quarter turn jobby. I can get the pins all lined up. Let's see here. The installation obviously will be in reverse order. It's got to be careful with those two black plastic pins. Oh, it actually goes back together a lot easier than it came out. And then the T25. And I probably should wax. Now's a good time to clean and wax in here before you put everything back together. Let me do that quick. Because a lot of times you might as well just get it now while you have this all apart. But look how bad. This is just from, I guess it's been 2 weeks since I was able to hand wash this car. We get here in southeast PA, we get a lot of rain. And it's been very, very wet. It's gonna use a little bit of cleaner slash wax, also from McGuire's. I just like it for general purpose stuff like this, where you're getting in and cleaning and getting a little bit of protective coating around the area. It's not going to be perfect, obviously, but that's okay. All right, let's stick this back together. The light still looks cloudy to me. I don't know. Let's see if I can hit that one more time with this stuff. I think that McGuire's detail spray might have took some of that off when I sprayed over it. Looks a little better. I might have to see about fixing that. Maybe I better not put this all together just yet. I might have to fix that. What we could do though is I want to do a comparison here of the incandescent side with the LED side here. Let's check that out and see how it looks. So they look pretty darn bright compared to the analog side. I'll have to get a video shot maybe of it at night, but it's a heck of a difference. So it looks like that should be pretty cool. I might have to polish that one more time. It's still got a little bit of a glaze over to it, and then maybe clear coat it with some clear coat enamel. Pretty happy with it though. Seems like for a $20 upgrade. Hopefully that works. Now I think I'm gonna use the Vita Dyso and try to get rid of the daytime running lights. I'm not sure if you can set it up to have just that bulb in the middle of the city light on instead of the main HID, which those bulbs are pretty expensive. I don't really like how they're on all the time. I understand it's a safety feature, but so that should look pretty cool. Alright, so thanks for checking out this video. If you like this type of video, give me a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. There'll be many more Volvo S80 videos to come. I'm not done yet with this car. There's still a lot of things to do. I did upgrade the interior bulbs. I forgot to mention that. 2 LED bulbs, and I don't know if I can see it. I want to do my wife's Passat here next, but I did all the footwell and all the lighting in here was converted to LED, so it looks pretty nice in the dark. Car key removed from car. Oh, okay, that's probably when I walked away. We'll shut her down now. Alright, so thanks for watching this video, and till next time, I will see you guys later. Alright, bye now.